and welcome to today's workshop. It's all about fake makeup. I'm going to show you how to make fake boils and some sinister looking skin lesions on your skin. How does that sound? This is what you'll need for this workshop. Some red, yellow and green food colour, some Vaseline, some earbuds, a plate or a bowl and some tissues. All right, the first step is we need to make some lovely yellow pus. So we start with a nice big loop of Vaseline. Pop that into your bowl, like so, just on the edge. So it's white Vaseline, a little drop of yellow food colouring. And you use the earbud to combine the food colouring and the Vaseline. And look at that, we're making some nice yellow pus. Move it over here and just, there we are. Combine it together. Keep going until all of the food colouring is combined. Oh, that's looking particularly nasty. Good. There we are. Okay. So you collect it onto the end of your earbud. Here's my victim's arm. I suggest use a forearm. That's a really good spot. It looks nice and sore when you put it on. All right, so a nice big clump. Just sort of dab it around the edges. Just sort of mix it in with your skin. There we are. Lovely. Great. All right. Next step, get a tissue and we're going to separate it into two pieces. Look at that. All right, so nice see-through tissue, and this is going to become the top layer of your skin that sits over your infection. Here we go. I'll pull that off like that. And then I get another earbud. I'm going to just gently place that over the top and then use the earbud to gently sit it down flat onto the skin. Oh, doesn't that look awful? So maybe after you've done all of this, you could make a home movie, a home horror movie. Now that you know how to do the makeup. There we are. Let's sit those bits in. All right. So the last part is to add a little bit of red food colouring to the edges around here. So we want to show that the infection's going all out into the skin. So I'm just going to dip another earbud into the red food colouring and just very gently add it to the edges. You can sort of move the tissue in and out a little bit of red going out to the edges. And then if you want to be really gross, like this is really, really bad infection, a little bit of green. Just a tiny bit. Mix it in with the yellow. And there you have really gross boil. And then what you can do is do another little baby one next to it. You can do a whole lot, all up and down your arm.
Lovely. Lovely boils.
And don't forget to show Mum. So I would love to see what you come up with your gruesome makeup. So what you can do is take a photo and post it on our Tamworth City Library Facebook page. You can see what you came up with. All right, so I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of, this one's a baby one. It's not quite as bad as the mother boil, so this one's going to have just a little bit of red around the edges. Don't think you look very well.
No, don't feel well.
Maybe a bit more red over here.
Yeah,
Going up the vein.
Yeah,
going up the vein.
that's a bit sore.
Oh, how's that?
I'm going to need to lie down.
And there you have it, some gruesome makeup. We hope you really enjoyed this workshop and keep watching to find out what you need for the next workshop.
In our next workshop, we'll be making these creepy monster eggs. In order to make these monster eggs, you'll need some eggs, a saucepan, some cups and containers, and some food colouring. We'll see you then.